Deep beneath the Earth's surface lies a powerful element, one that can light up entire cities or unleash unimaginable energy. This raw material must go through an extraordinary journey before it becomes usable nuclear fuel. Uranium is a naturally occurring element found in rocks all over the world. But only a tiny portion, uranium-235, is useful for nuclear energy. This tiny pellet holds an incredible amount of energy. And powering millions of homes begins with transforming uranium, step by step. Look at the fluctuation in the oxygen levels here.
I see it. Cross-reference with the drone feed from Shaft 4.
Before uranium can be used for energy, it must be carefully refined and chemically prepared for the next stage. Uranium hexafluoride gas flows through the system, where the isotopes are separated through a process of high-speed centrifuging. We have an anomaly on loop 7. Temperature rising. Rerouting coolant flow. Check the safety interlocks. Everything green now. We have a spike in the reaction chamber.
Reroute the solvent immediately. It's stabilizing now. Confirmed. All parameters are green.
Convoy is secure. Proceed to the main facility gate. Over.
Scanning fingerprint. Fingerprint accepted. Scanning retina. Access granted.
Now begins the most delicate and critical stage of all, uranium enrichment.
The enrichment levels on Sector Gamma are stabilizing faster than projected. Confirmed. The thermal readings are dropping below critical levels.
Control to Unit 4, check the southeast loading bay. I have unauthorized access. Through extreme precision and control, uranium reaches a level where it can power entire cities, but only after one final transformation.
Alignment confirmed. Continue descent.
Roger that. Locking mechanisms engaged. Confirm green status.
All right, let's get this reactor inspected. Right behind you. My readings are prepped.
As the new fuel bundle approaches the active core, the distinctive blue Cherenkov glow becomes visible, illustrating the intense energy involved. Inside the reactor, these fuel rods release controlled energy, powering millions of homes safely and continuously. From deep underground uranium to the power lighting our world, this is the journey of enriched nuclear energy.